What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Out of the Box with Mytee Products. My name's Austin, and today we're going to be talking about the Bentley Pro Speed Wand. Now, like the name implies, this wand is designed to help you outpace your traditional carpet wand cleaning thanks to its two-way cleaning motion and a whole host of other valuable features. So don't speed off, we've got a lot for you today. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so got the wand here with me. It's got a stainless steel construction, everything from the body tube down to that die-cast steel head. It's going to be super durable, as well as it's going to provide superior corrosion resistance compared to wands that are constructed out of aluminum. So everything from top to bottom here is built to last. On top of this well-built frame, we have several valuable features, so let's just go ahead and start from the top with this nice wide T-shaped handle that's meant to square your shoulders to the wand. That, with the feather touch trigger, is going to help reduce a lot of the fatigue on big jobs. Moving a little lower, we also have the control valve here that controls the flow. With a few twists, I can go from high flow to low flow without having to mess with anything else in my system. Keeps going. A little bit lower, we have another great feature here, the vacuum release cuff on the elbow here. With just a quick twist, I can adjust the amount of suction being applied at the carpet. So this means no more locking down to the carpet, as well as no more worrying about time-consuming wheel adjustments. You can just twist this and keep it going. Moving on down to the business end of the wand here with that die-cast steel head, you can see the built-in clear sight window. That's going to help you see what you extract as you extract it, as well as you can show it to your clients to show how much you're getting out of their carpet, and it takes a lot of the guesswork out of your cleaning. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the underside of the wand here. You'll be able to see inside here the 4 new spray jets. These are Mytee's Low Pro jets. They're custom made for Mytee and patent pending. They're essentially a hybrid of a V-jet and a flood jet that allow for a low profile with a direct spray into the carpet. This is going to break the carpet's surface tension and allow for a deeper clean than any other type of jet that's out there. The glides are, you'll notice, positioned directly in front of and behind the jets. Now this is going to encapsulate them, creating what we call the chamber effect, ensuring that 100% of the power that's coming from your machine is being input into the carpet instead of leaking out the sides, which is going to waste your heat and waste your pressure as well. The glides themselves take advantage of positive ventilation, which moves more air than any comparable wand, and it's going to give you noticeably better extraction and dry times. While we're down here talking about the glides, I want to show you real quick our new Teflon glide cover for the Bentley Pro. It slides directly over the existing steel glides so you can extract over tile without marring it. So now I can go from carpet to tile with the same wand. So now that we've covered everything, you can see why, top to bottom, the Bentley Pro is the best speed wand on the market. Alright guys, so that's all we have for you today. If you need more information, please check out Mytee.com. You can also connect with us on Instagram and Twitter, or join the conversation at All Things Mytee on Facebook. Thank you all for watching. Here's wishing you a mighty fine day.